Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to show you our new Drive and Steer NOO toy from the Teletubbies. And this is a remote control NOO. Let's have a look in the back. So it's a drive and steer, so you can probably turn the wheel left and right to steer. There's sound, turbo, which means fast, forward and reverse. So let's open this up and have a look. I'm excited. It also looks like it goes slurp, slurp, slurp. Okay, so we've opened up our NOO and we've put batteries in. And as you can see, here's the steering wheel. You push start and this button turns on for on. And there's the music. And we're going to drive forward. Woo! And backwards. And forwards. And backwards. And now, watch how we turn NOO when we turn the wheel. Woo! And back. Hi, NOO. Oh, we're going to have so much fun with this toy. I'm still not sure. This button is, let's see what this button is for turbo. That's right. So to go extra fast, we probably hit this button and this button at the same time. Whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness. Slow down, NOO. That is turbo fast. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're excited to show you our new Boombox Playset from Gabba Gabba. Let's push the button on the boombox and see what happens. Yo! Yay! What a wonderful song to start our video. So the boombox opens from the back. Let's unhook the latch and open up Gabba Gabba land. And look, there's a slide for Fufa. And there's also a little secret door in the boombox. There's the sound room. That's where all the controls of the music are. We also have a little light up window, a little spinning window with a little ladder. And it also comes with these little pieces that we can set up to make the boombox feel more like a play area. There's the iceberg and the moon and all of the characters. Roby, Fufa, do you want to go down the slide? Yay! Oh, careful, Fufa. What a wonderful slide. Whee! How about you, Roby? All right. Yay! Let's set you up there. Don't fall over, Fufa. And of course, Muno. Tootie, she's got skinny legs, so she's hard to stand up. So don't fall over, Tootie. Oh, see? Tootie, you've got to stand over there. Oh my. Yes, Tootie is very hard to stand up. So Tootie, you lay down. There you go. She's having a nap. And last but not least, Plex. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome to our Yo Gabba Gabba Boombox set. Now let's push a button and see what happens. Party! Yay! Did everyone see the Yo Gabba Gabba sign light up with different colors? What a wonderful toy. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Our last video, we put our little eggs inside some water. And today, 2 days later, they've hatched into creatures and grown. So we're going to open them up and see what's inside. So our first one was a duck egg. And we could have either one of these little ducks, and we're going to see which one we got today. So let's open up our jar. And see, you can see the little ducky's beak popping out of that shell that's cracked. And I've got my handy tongs. Oh, there we go. Okay, so here's our ducky. We're gonna peel away the shell. I can see a little eyeball. And this isn't a real egg. This is just a toy egg. We'll dump the water out. I'm going to pull the ducky out. And this is the ducky we got. So let's look on the box. Doesn't look like any of them on the box. Well, must be this one with the red scarf. Our scarf's orange, but it could be red. Quack, 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 quack. And it's really soft and mushy. And there's some stuff coming off of my fingers. So let's put the ducky back in the water. And the next one we're going to open is our flamingo. Does anyone know what a flamingo is? Flamingo is the bird that stands up on one leg. So out comes, and our flamingo is in a pink egg. And there's the egg part. See how it cracked? Very nicely cracked too. And then our big flamingo. There's our flamingo. And 2 legs. One's standing up and one is sitting up. And it's got a beak and an eye. So there's our little baby flamingo. And our last one is the dinosaur. And the dinosaurs can be any of these. So we're going to see which one we got. And we're going to have to pull him out of the shell a little bit because he hasn't quite hatched. So peel away the shell. Crack it open. And it's got some jelly stuff there. And there we go. And there's our dinosaur. Roar! Let's see what dinosaur. I think we got the T-Rex. He's quite a cute little baby T-Rex. We'll put you back in there, T-Rex. And there we go. There's our creatures that we've grown. How fun was that? And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're excited to have a new in the night garden toy. It's the stacking musical Ninky Nonk. And we all love the Ninky Nonk. As you can see, the front of the Ninky Nonk has 3 buttons. Let's have the characters help us. Okay, Macca-Pacca, let's push the Macca-Pacca button. Very well done, Macca-Pacca. Did you see the lights on the Ninky Nonk? Let's see who else will come and help us out. Oh, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, let's push your button. Very nice dancing, Upsy Daisy. Now, last but not least, let's say hello to Iggle-Piggle. Hello, Iggle-Piggle. Would you push your square button? Very, very well done. Upsy Daisy has a round button. Iggle-Piggle has a square button. And Macca-Pacca has a, that's right, triangle button. Let's push the star button and see what happens. See the little light inside? This song is Iggle-Piggle sailing away in his boat, falling fast asleep, and now the light has gone dim. Let's see what else the Ninky Nonk can do. I see shapes. There's an Iggle-Piggle shape. Does anyone know what shape this is? It's a circle, a pink circle. And where does it belong in the Ninky Nonk? Right in there. This is a blue square with Upsy Daisy's face. Does it fit in that hole? No. It fits right in that hole. And last we have, that's right, a yellow triangle. And it goes in that hole. Macca-Pacca, would you please push down and see what happens with the spinning Ninky Nonk? Macca-Pacca. Ooh, Macca-Pacca! Oh, good job, Macca-Pacca. The next part of the Ninky Nonk is the stacking part. Let's open the door. Who do we see? Upsy Daisy! Wonderful! Upsy Daisy's gone for a ride. And what are these? I see some stacking blocks. And who's on the stacking blocks? Ha-hoo! Ha-hoo. Stack ha-hoo on top of ha-hoo. Ooh. And the last part of the Ninky Nonk is the smallest part. Oh, there's two Iggle Piggles. Iggle Piggle is hiding in the last part of the Ninky Nonk. The only thing missing on this Ninky Nonk is the Pontypine car. Well, thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to do some magic with our coloring book. As you can see, our coloring book has nothing inside. So what are we going to do? Are we going to color the pages or are we going to do some magic? I know. I've got my little magic wand. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. We've got some pictures in there, but there was no color. We've got lots of color here. Let's see if we can magically take this colors and color the pages in the coloring book. Abracadabra. It's magic! We have color in our coloring book. Wonderful. Now we'll do one more trick. Let's make all of our pictures disappear again. 1, 2, 3, abracadabra. And our coloring book is blank once again. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, Iggle Piggle is a little bit sad. He has lost his blanket again and does not know where it's gone. Poor, poor Iggle Piggle. Here come the Tombliboos to cheer Iggle Piggle up. Today is Iggle Piggle's birthday, and the Tombliboos have brought Iggle Piggle a birthday gift. How nice of you, Tombliboos. Before we open your gift, Iggle Piggle, how about we celebrate your birthday with a birthday cake? Let's put the candles on the cake and sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Iggle Piggle. Happy birthday to you. What a yummy looking cake. Blow out your candles, Iggle Piggle. Very good, Iggle Piggle. Now it's time for Iggle Piggle to open his gift. The Tombliboos have got Iggle Piggle something very special. Wow, what a nice wrap job, Tombliboos. There's a box inside. Oh, how exciting. Hopefully, this cheers Iggle Piggle up. Let's open the box and see what's inside. How thoughtful. The Tombliboos have got a new blanket for Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle is no longer sad. What wonderful friends. Good job, Tombliboos. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're excited to share our new Teletubbies toy, and it's the Pull Along Custard Train. It makes all sorts of noises. We're going to look at the back. And so here's the tubby custard machine. It's got some eyes and a little pull string. It goes splat, splat, splat. And the button goes whirr. And here's the Teletubbies. That looks like their chairs spin behind the custard train. So let's open it up and have a look. All right. So we've opened up the box and we've taken the Teletubbies out. And just as I'm having a look, there's some wheels in the bottom of these. When you pull it along, that's when the Teletubbies spin. It's quite a neat toy. And so what we're going to do is we're going to attach it to the tubby custard train. We've got to pull the tag. Now what I like about these toys is they include batteries. And most toys don't include batteries. So let's pull the tab out, turn it on. Oh, and you can see the eyes are lighting up. And we're gonna, oh boy, listen to the Teletubbies song. I'll push this button. Oh boy. Here we go, Teletubbies, for a ride. Hang on. And I think this is my favorite Teletubbies toy yet. And that is our pull-along custard train. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to play a simple matching game with the In the Night Garden cards. Can you see a match for the Tombliboos card? That's right. Here is the exact same card. And the Tombliboos are hiding in a bush. And what are they up to? Maybe they are hiding from somebody. Can we find another pair in the cards? There's an Iggle-Piggle. And there's an Iggle-Piggle. That's right. And it looks like Iggle-Piggle is standing near the Tombliboos bush. Maybe Iggle-Piggle's playing hide-and-go-seek with the Tombliboos. He's also got his blanket, so maybe he's getting ready for bed. Our last pair is easy. There's only 2 cards left, and they are the Hahoos. And 1 card and 2 cards, and they are identical. Ha-hoo! I only see 4 Hahoos. There's a missing Hahoo in this card. I can show you which one it is. Here's the missing Hahoo. Hahoo! And thank you for playing In the Night Garden matching game with me. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures as well. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Earlier we did a licorice braid out of different colors of the Twizzlers licorice. We've also created a rainbow. We have red, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, green. And we're going to keep making our rainbow. So what color goes after green? Yellow. So let's find a yellow licorice. And these are all kind of stuck together. And we put it right beside the green. And after yellow comes orange. And we're going to see how big we can make this rainbow. We sure have a lot of licorice. And we have red. And after red comes purple. And after purple comes blue. And after blue comes green. And after green comes yellow. Then orange. Oh my, we have a lot of licorice. Isn't this beautiful? Orange and red. This is our last red we have. And this is our last purple we have. So purple, blue, green, yellow, and our last one, orange. Wow, look at our giant licorice rainbow. Let's count how many licorices we got in our rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 licorice. And look at the ends. They look like little stars, don't they? Well, thank you so much for counting with us and learning our colors. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to have a look at our soft in the night garden puppets. Hello, Macapaka. Are you excited for today, Macapaka? Let's say hello to Iggle Piggle. Hello, Iggle Piggle. Can you give Macapaka a little hug to say hello? Oh, how cute. Can you see Upsy Daisy? Well, I only have 2 hands, so I can't bring Upsy Daisy to life. Could I put you down, Macapaka? Macapaka. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Hello. Hello. Hugs. How are you today, Upsy Daisy? Upsy Daisy. Very, very good. Very nice to see you. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're super excited for our new Teletubbies Music Day play set. And we have all sorts of little instruments that Lala is going to be playing. Let's look at the back. And so the set comes with a Lala, and she has a musical instrument. It plays the Teletubbies theme tune. And there's tons of buttons to push. You can push the drum, and you can push the stage button and the piano. Button 1, button 2, button 3. So let's open it up and take a look and a listen. All right, now we've opened up our musical Teletubbies play set, and we turned it on. The batteries aren't working today, so we're gonna have to get some new batteries, but we wanted to show you, and we're gonna make our own music. We can make our own music with our mouths, can't we? So let's have Lala play the drums. Bum, 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 bum. And Dipsy's gonna be on the stage. Hey-yo, hey-yo. And Tinky Winky is playing piano. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. And that is our Teletubbies musical play set. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. We're sorry it didn't work today. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and bonjour. Today we're going to have a look at our Barbapapa Playland set. And it's brand new in the box. And the Barba Papa characters are fun and colorful. And as you can see, there's Baba Papa. And they're at a fair on some rides. So we're going to open it up. And these are all the pieces that it comes with. So let's open it up and have a look. All right, we've opened our set up. And here are, the set comes with 4 little characters. There's the green one, which is Barbalala. And she came in this little blue car. And here is Barba Papa. He is the big pink Papa, and he's in this cup. Now, he just pops off just like that. So he's riding on the teacup ride. And here's Barba Mama, and she's on the purple teacup. And then we've got a little train with Barba Bianchi. And she's got little glasses. And she's riding the choo-choo train. So we're going to start up the ride. You just turn this little handle and... And they spin around. Oh dear! We lost Barba Mama. Let's get you back on there. And a little star, oops, in the middle. So now they're going to try out the other rides. We've got Barba Papa in the Barba Papa spinny ride. And we have Barba Lala in the little spinny white shell ride. And then we're going to get Barba Mama, put her on the little swing like that. Now these are little puzzle pieces that connect together. So we need to attach our little knob, like a little puzzle piece, onto this piece so that we can spin and just watch what happens. Whee! See how they're spinning? And you can put it together, so these are all different pieces, and you can create a playland however you like. You can connect them all together in a square or in a line. So thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures, and please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.